Namaste dosto and welcome to my channel Profit Adda. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please press this subscribe and bell icon button to receive further updates. Thank you. If you have checked my video related to going long in copper, then from here we were at this point when we made a video, and we were expecting a downfall, rather extension of this correction up to this level, and immediately next day we have got this move, uh, which is almost 4% in a single day. And now again, after this fall it is trying to go up, but then it is just a bounce back, and from here we will be expecting one more leg of correction, and with that it will complete the overall correction that is expected. And we can enter the position around this level, that is 700, around 700, and from this we are expecting a pullback, and that pullback at least it will be 740. So at this level, those who want to book the position, those who are comfortable with a small profit, rather this is also not a small profit, it is almost 40 points, but then still, if you want to play very with a very low risk level, then you can book the profit here and then exit from the position. But those who want to continue the position and aim for higher levels, then they can hold the position, and we can expect the level up to 800, and here we can book the profit. In fact, considering the overall market, metals, even gold, silver, copper, all metals are bullish, and we are expecting further upside in metals. But then, considering, since these all positions are in future, we are trading in contracts, so those have the expiry. So uh, if we don't want to roll over the position, then we can exit. The first level would be 740, then 800. So this will be the level where we can exit, and then if it sustains, if it breaks this level, then we can expect further more upside. But if it doesn't break this levels, and if it retract, it takes a pause maybe at 740 or in between, then we need to look at if it is making a move wherein it is coming again back to this 700 level. If that happens, then that will be a risky position, and we would not like to continue that position, because here we have expected that it has completed this correction with this three move. uh, but then if it goes again at 700, see, this is the three move, and after that we are expecting a upside, that is the fifth wave of the overall impulsive pattern that we are trading. But then if it doesn't do like that, and uh, if it tries to again come back to this position, then there is a high chance that this bounce is just a bounce, and there will be a further correction. And if that happens, then again, instead of these three moves, maybe we can expect another three moves down the line, and it can fall further. So we don't want to get trapped into that, because these are all future positions, future contracts which we are taking on huge leverage. So we don't want to end into that awkward situation. So the best is, once we get a position, of course we will have a bounce from this level, 700 level, and with that bounce we can trade and we can book our profit. Even if it is a small, that is okay, but then that will be a profit, that will also be a very good profit, decent profit. So we'll book that, and let's see if the structure formation is happening as per our expectation, then we can go further and trade for higher levels also. So but our agenda is not to have any high risk positions. We want to trade only for high probability trades, and that has a probability of going in our direction, highest probability of going in our direction. Those trades only we will be taking. When we made this video, we were at this level, and we expected that the correction should happen, and the same happened immediately. It gave next day it gave a fall of almost 4%, and now it is trying to go up, but then it is just a bounce. So again, next leg of fall will be there, so we want to enter at this position. So trade with the assessing the risk. So that risk we have already discussed. That will be almost 680 level down the line. That will be the stop loss. So almost 20 points stop loss is there. So in terms of money, that will be almost 50,000 rupees. 50 to 60,000 rupees stop loss will be there, but we can expect a move of at least 40 rupees. That means 1 lakh profit, and going further, if we are aiming at 800, then accordingly the profit will be there. So definitely it's a very good risk reward trade, and we can definitely expect a bounce from this level. So let's trade this, and wish you a happy trading. Thank you.